Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is how to fix DJI Mini 2 IMU error code. So guys, this error code indicates an IMU or inertial measurement unit malfunction, often due to calibration failure, a sensor glitch, or internal hardware issue. Now, first thing is go ahead and power off your drone and remove the battery and wait 30 seconds, then restart it, and this may clear the minor sensor issues. Now, if it doesn't work, guys, just simply do a calibration. So just simply open the DJI Fly application, go through the settings, safety, sensors, and calibrate IMU, and just simply follow the steps on the screen to complete the calibration. Now, another option that you could try to do is update the firmware. So guys, just ensure the firmware is up to date using the DJI Fly app or DJI Assistant. There you go. See ya.